Make a great choice today with the 2020 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking, rear view camera, leather upholstery, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.